Looking for the best computer desk? In this video, we'll break down the top gaming desks available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best gaming desks on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the EUREKA Z1S Gaming Computer Desk. The EUREKA Z1S Gaming Computer Desk is a new addition to our list. It's lightweight, stylish, roomy, and has some great features too. And as a bonus, it comes in at a reasonable price. With a surface area of 44.5 inches long and 24.2 inches wide, it has plenty of room for all your gaming accessories and will happily fit 2 gaming monitors. To add to the cool factor and durability, the top of this desk also features an extra-large keyboard/mousepad, cup holder, headphone stand, and controller stand, meeting all your gamer needs. The Z1S has a Z-shaped design and 4 leveling feet, meaning it's sturdy and less likely to wobble when things get a little intense during a gaming session. To top things off, the Z1S features blue LED lighting, making this desk look awesome even in the dark. This gaming desk is a great overall option. It has the cool factor and meets all your gaming needs, whilst not being too pricey. At number 2, we have the DXRacer Newedge Gaming Computer Desk. DXRacer established themselves as a premium gaming brand by making top-notch furniture, specifically with their ultra-comfortable gaming chairs. The mixed materials that go into the construction of the DXRacer DGD 1000 NE edition desks ensure there's no compromise on the build quality. The assembly of this desk is a little bit on the tricky side for some people who may not be natural DIY enthusiasts. That said, the instructions are clear and easy to follow. The materials used to make this desk consist of wood, metal, and carbon fiber. They've all been fastened together using only the strongest and most durable hardware nuts and bolts. This is an insanely strong and stable desk surface that can carry all of your gaming hardware, keeping it safe and looking great at the same time. The quality of this unit is instantly apparent. There's no doubt that whoever owns this desk means business. Serious business. Because of this desk's unconventional style and shape, many people find it hard to believe that it can withstand the heavy weight of a standard gamer's hardware catalog. However, the DXRacer DGD 1000 NE edition desk is a premium range of gaming desks that won't let you down. Many people might not like a desk that's so blatantly ready for you to sit down at and start playing your favorite game, but that's okay. We don't like those people anyway. Overall, this premium gaming desk has fantastic features and great cable management facilities as well. At number 3, we have the GreenForest L-shaped gaming desk. This is a fantastic looking, modernly styled desk that is sure to please anybody that wants to have a sophisticated, modern looking desk, or a few as office desks. The darker color looks really good for anyone who wants to have a decent gaming setup that doesn't look like it belongs in an accountant's office or any other drab and boring kind of setup like that. There are many great features to appreciate, such as the shelving units to the right-hand side of the shelf, which is more than enough for any gamer that has a few different consoles laying around to stack them together and create an awesome console storage area. The open-ended sides of the shelves provide access from 3 different angles, including an open area that leads to the back of the desk, so that some cable management can start to be formulated for all your various gaming gadgets. As with so many gaming furniture examples for PC and console enthusiasts in our review, the GreenForest L-shaped corner computer desk is just as at home at the office as it is in the home. This is a great feature on these products. Where and how you use the desk is entirely at your own discretion, but it is great to know that versatility appears to be one of the unit's strong points. Although users with a need for storage may need to purchase additional shelving to have this addressed, which is not necessarily going to be the case for everyone. Trying to find the best when it comes to finding a desk is always tricky, but this L-shaped desk is bound to deliver the goods for anyone looking to get themselves a high-quality desk with some decent features, without breaking the bank or going outside their budget by too much. Gamers will be pleased to know that the sturdiness of this desk will mean that the load of your PC and consoles plus displays will be more than catered for by this well-constructed gaming desk, and the premium materials that went into the construction are sure to give you many years of trouble-free playing as you get in all your gaming action well seated at this fantastic desk. Other positives include the small adjustment legs under the desk that are screw-operated, the spacious triple shelving units where your games, consoles, and collectibles can be displayed, and the solid L-shaped surface that is built and designed for you to work or play while sitting at it. All in all, we have a great desk for gaming, with good styling and mass appeal for the average PC or console user. There are more gaming-specific desks out there on the market, but this is a really good choice for gamers that are looking for a touch more of the traditional styling that this desk has to offer. At number 4, we have the Arozzi Arena Height-Adjustable Gaming Desk. This is a desk that pulls no punches about what it's designed for, and it's right there in its name: gaming. The desk ships disassembled, but the installation instructions are quite easy to follow, so after a bit of assembly, you will have the gaming desk of your dreams. There's a color manual with detailed diagrams for you to follow perfectly, with step-by-step guides on what to do with your newfound set of desk pieces. There is a lot to like about this spacious desk, chief feature of which is the greatly spacious layout of the gaming surface. The overall dimensions of this unit are 36.25 by 25 by 10.35 inches, and the solid frame and desktop comes in at around 100 pounds while packed in its box. There is a slight height adjustability feature here as well, so you don't have to be stuck with the desk height that doesn't suit you. This is a great feature on these products. Once it has been set up and assembled, the gaming desk unit weighs around 85.5 pounds, meaning that it has enough mass to allow you to put all of your favorite consoles or PC equipment on top of the desk. A solid desk all around with excellent build quality and high quality looks. Desks like these are best for many different roles. Having this desk available in different colors is also a bonus as well, meaning that gamers can find the right desk to suit their color scheme to look good in the house. Finding a desk like this can be tricky, especially when you start to zoom in on the details. There are so many great features in these console and PC desks, so finding out what could work optimally for you is essential. The cloth for gaming peripherals offers good tracking for gaming mice, and the cloth also acts as a grip for your keyboard. But the cloth is completely removable, so it can be washed and changed, and if you feel the need to, go on and do that. As a gaming desk, there aren't many other features to best talk about, other than the stabilizing bar and removable gaming cloth. That is, until you notice that there is a cable management net that is made from a synthetic netting under the desk, along with 2 routed cable holes for every single cable and wire that you need to connect up your peripherals for decent cable tidying and neatness. This creates a less cluttered gaming area, so you can kick back and relax whenever you feel the need to game, which is always the best outcome when trying to relax. At number 5, we have the Atlantic 3395-0212 Gaming Desk Pro. As the best gaming desk on a budget, the Atlantic 3395-0212 Gaming Desk Pro offers a decent desktop to play all of your favorite titles on. Gamers will be satisfied with the storage capabilities of this piece, and there is also a power strip holder for electrical plugs. Flanked on the left and right sides of the desk are DVD holders that can fit 5 cases in each, making for a decent packing space of around 10 DVDs or Blu-rays for avid collectors to enjoy. Desks like this are great for anything that needs a surface to work with. There is a decent drink holder on the side of the desk as well, which is good for those who have a tendency to spill things on occasion, so this should keep things nice and dry and out of the way on the side of the desk. Directly on the opposite end of the desk, and in the same spot, is a headphone or game set holder, where you can hang your audio kit from. This is the best for big pairs of headphones that need to be put away after use. Other great finishing touches to the desk also include a mobile device holder, where you can place 2 phones or a tablet while they charge or while you game. The bottom of the phone holder has a slight lip, meaning that your digital device won't be able to slip down and fall onto the desk, which is a good idea. Better still is the inclusion of 2 cutout sections of that lip that allow the charging cable to pass through with no problems, meaning that you can charge your phone in an upright position and perfectly balanced. There is also a raised TV platform section that your viewing device can rest on nicely, with a maximum weight support of around 44 pounds for that platform. That means that if your TV is at or under that weight, you will still have a good chance that your TV will be able to fit up there on that stand in any case. Next to the platform are 2 console controller holders that will allow your PlayStation or Xbox console controllers to rest, where they can plug in and charge while staying out of the way of everything else. The lightweight construction of this desk is a bonus for anyone who doesn't like to have a bulky desk in their home. Lightweight gaming desks are at best a great idea if you find yourself rearranging the house quite often. No backache or strained muscles, as the effort of lifting gaming desks with lower weights is much better for you. That is where this desk really shows its strengths. So that sums up our top gaming desks of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.